Welcome back, everyone, to Flix It Yourself tip 41. This customer wants to have a Shabbos lock over here so they could go out to their backyard. I ordered this on Amazon. It's $49.97, I believe. You could install it yourself by the handle. It's a Shabbos lock, no electronics. In addition, it comes with a set of keys if you want. And it's very simple and easy to install. Start by removing the existing lock. You open up the box, you get a set of 3 keys, some hardware, the actual lock, the deadbolt, and the actual handle for the other side. The first thing we need to do is change the code, the existing code. The existing code is 125690. We have to change it accordingly. This is the instructions if you have any questions. Let me show you how to do it. We start by removing just this middle screw. Okay, the screw is removed. You have to slip out the top over here. Okay, so you can see the gold ones are the code and the silver ones are not the code. So it comes with a little tweezer over here. You won't be able to take it out just like that. We have to first reset the code. That's by turning it counterclockwise, the thumb. Now that it's reset, all you need to do is pull it out and pull in. Let's say you want to change the code over here to here. So in the back it comes some extra if you want to have a longer code or a shorter code. I made over here 2367. The rest are dummies. Now we'll place back the cover and the screw. We're all ready to install it. Okay, just remember when installing the latch, the deadbolt, the black side, if it's a left side door like here, you install it on the black side on top, the black piece on top. If it's the right side, you put it like this on the other side, the gold. Now we're doing on the left side, so we're putting it in like this. You put on this golden plate, you put in the 2 screws, and you start tightening it up. The next step, you put in this black gasket over here, and you go like this. You put it onto the door. You take the 2 small screws, and you put it in over here. Now let's check out the door if it's working. Nicely locked. Locked. Okay, now the door is locked from the outside. We'll do 2, 3, 6, 7. Unlocked. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week.